He had a fruit shop. On 8th September 11:30 during the day, he was sitting at his shop. A motorcyclist came. He was wearing helmet, and he took out his pistol and fired at him from 3 feet, and 5 bullets were there, and 4 went into his body and 1 into his head. And there was a servant, and there was a worker also, and there were some customers as well at that time when this incident happened. And the place is such which is very well crowded in the market, but the culprit was able to run away from that place. He was 51 at the time of martyrdom. He was very devout, very honest, very closely attached to the community, and he has a great love for the missionaries of the community. Regarding the Friday sermon, so if he was not able to listen directly, then he would always ask what was the subject about, and used to ask the main points of the sermon. In his circle, he was well known in his business circle, and in his place of residence. He was very popular, and he was very peaceful person. He was taking care of all people, and very satisfied and grateful person. And the business people, and the large number of them, they attended his funeral prayer from among the non-Ahmadis. And the regular customers, they also came for the funeral prayer. He was very hospitable, and he was very particular about that. His wife was the president of Lajna for some time. The parents, the old parents of the martyr are alive. There are 5 brothers and 4 sisters. Apart from that, there is son, 23 years, and there are 2 daughters. Allah Almighty may all these beloved people, Allah Almighty give them the full satisfaction and continue to raise the status of the martyr. And after the Namaz-e-Jummah, inshallah, I will be leading the Namaz-e-Janaza in absentia of this martyr.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa nu'minu bihi wa natawakkalu alayhi wa na'udhu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله ونشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. عباد الله رحمكم الله إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون. اذكروا الله يذكركم وادعوه يستجب لكم ولذكر الله أكبر.